and we had some problems. So what I discovered was that the problem was actually not with the process that we are doing, but the problem was with the server for the images. Here, movie cut is where we stopped. So this is generally how it's supposed to, but then the problem is not actually with the you can see it's playing the trailer. The problem is from the server where the image is supposed to reflect when you try to pick the movie. Okay. So sometimes it displays, sometimes it doesn't. It just displays some few of the movies with few of the pictures I can see sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't display. So the problem is from the, not from the application development, but from the server itself. Okay. So the process is correct where we went to build the movie card. So you have the page that we have created. Cut. Faceted report, right? And then cuts. This movie said this is dashboard. Okay, this is movie cuts, so page 7. So if you click, this is error from Oracle. Do you have that error? Can you try to click on movie cuts? I hate this. Are you having this? Anybody having this problem with his Oracle? Yes or no?
What kind of problem are you referring to?
I'm not accessing the site.
Can you redo the whole process? Because last time I think we did it differently.
No, I mean I cannot log into my site. Okay, let me use a different browser. Okay, so I think I need to save my work. I save my workspace there. Okay, I'm back. I think these are session management issues. Sessions with the collaborators. You can see my page, right? I just log in. You can see I have 4 applications in this. Okay. I will delete this app. This app, you need to follow me because the other app, the movie app, we are actually done because what was remain was only the cards to be displayed. However, like I said, the site is broken. I tried to find an update of that code. Nothing is making sense. So this app that we are going to develop right now is going to be your midterm. So the movie is just like a process. So I want to delete all the apps. So I will go to object browser and delete all the tables. Okay. So I will drop all these tables. You can see it's just the same SQL statements. If I check the SQL statement, so the SQL statement is drop table, customer, cascade constraint. Cascade constraint simply means if there is a constraint like foreign key integrity reference, then it's going to drop it. That is the essence of this cascade constraint. So drop this table. We'll drop others. Movies table is our Excel file, so you leave that movie table there. When I get the, if I get a solution to displaying those other cards directly from those server, then we will. But I intend to make it your midterm. All right, so you see I have nothing, okay? So normally when you log into your application, you get to see the Apex. So you click on Apex Builder, everyone. Click on Apex Builder. All right. So if you are here, just go to SQL Workshop. Can you see SQL Workshop?
Yes.
We are gonna do something a little different today. So go to SQL Workshop, go to Utilities. Utilities. Are you there?
Yes.
Go to Sample Dataset. Are you there?
Just keep going.
Okay, so click on Sample Dataset and then go to Update. Okay, so you can see customer orders. The reason I am having update was because I have already installed this data set before, but now I have removed it. Now you can just see it is what install. So you just click on install. So you need to install this database. And then install, please. Now you can see the following tables are going to be installed. Now what we intend to do is let me share this to show you what I have. Stop presenting and then okay, you can see I have product images right here. You can see the product images. Okay, you can see this. So we are going to build a product image, a product catalog, a shopping cart per se, that customers can select each of these product in order to buy, to add to their cart, and to check it out or to, okay. So I'm back to selecting the sample data set. So you click on install. Now you have seen the images. Now these images are actually created in JSON, okay? So, but I will show you how we can go about that. They are already created in JSON and we can call them with the JSON call reference link. All right, now at this stage, you have already loaded the sample data set, but you are not going to create an application. So instead of creating an application, you should click on exit. Click on exit. I had created a sample. I had created a sample application for you to go through after this if you are having a problem. I haven't finished it though, but to the point where we will stop so you can see. Now, you can see from here, I had, so creating app, I have provided like a step-by-step on this customer, installing this customer data. So you can see if you have update, you need to, if you have update, it means you have used this data set before. So you need to remove it or you can update it, okay? So you can see that here, this data include JSON data for the product description, okay? So now you have to use your workspace. I had already provided all the steps that you need to do to get to a certain place. So all that needs to be done is highlighted here and explained clearly. It's just a step-by-step. And then to create this particular app, okay? And creating the applications and then creating the dashboards and all other components of the page. So we stopped at creating the lookup table. So I stopped at creating the lookup table. So after I might give you this, if you miss anything, you can follow to make sure you get to the step where you have missed something. I did not update it. I did not upload it on the theme yet because I thought I will add other stuff to the system. So you click on exit from that point, and that is that. So we are going to do a lot today, and then you watch. Now, another thing that we can do before we will continue is first we need to get Oracle Apex Application Development Services, okay? In most cases, we can access this from Oracle cloud.oracle.com. So take, for instance, you go to this cloud.oracle.com. Now, you need to create an account to also sign it in order to get cloud.oracle.com. Remember, I already have, this is just my workspace. Okay, this is just my workspace. However, I can get, this is another way to get all the services deployed, because sometimes when you create an application, because this is a rapid application development, you need to get some services that will enable you to be able to what? Build this system quickly without having issues, okay? Because sometimes if the services are not running properly, you need to be able to understand what is happening. So we will come back to running Oracle Cloud Services or getting the cloud services. Now, the next step is we need to move further to start with the lab. So first, you have installed this database sample. It's not going to cost you more than 5 minutes to install the data set sample, which is customer. Now, if you go to you click on SQL Workshop, you will see that the table has been created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 table has been created in your Oracle Application Express. All right. So And by the top right of you can see you have a column that contains on your workspace. To create object, you have table, view, index, sequence, type, package, procedure, function, trigger, database, link, materialize, and synonyms, and soda collections. All this we have already talked about most of these things in the class. Okay, so we talk about table, we talk about view, we talk about index, we talk about sequence, we talked about packages, procedure, and functions. Also, we talked about a trigger. We have created, I think, a trigger that when something happens, it should fire or it should give a certain kind of report. All right. So I think I should have deleted this particular column. Okay, populating new column. Okay, I can delete it or I can create new one, no problem. All right, so now you have installed the data set for your program. Now you need to add column. You need to add column to your applications. Okay, so now to do that, the steps are very easy. This is your product table. So you click on your product from your SQL browser. This is SQL, you're under SQL browser. You can see under SQL browser. So you click on your product table. Okay, so you have your product table under your SQL browser. So you click on your product table. Now you will see columns about your table here, informations about the table. So this is the table. It has product ID, product name, unit price, blah, blah, blah. You have column to add. You have modify column, rename column, drop column, rename column, rename. This is to rename the table. This is to rename a column. Copy, drop, truncate, create lookups, and create app out of this table. So you can simply create an app based on the underlying data of this table. Now, what we want to do is, remember I said we are going to create what? We are going to create shopping cart, okay? And I've shown you the pictures. And so gradually in shopping carts, you have orders table, right? You need to order items. You need to have the customers, and you need to have the products, and you need to have the stores. So these are basically how these applications work. So when you click on products, first you need to go to add column. So go to add column, click on this add column, and importantly, the column that you need to add. Now, what I want to add, I need to create a lookup table. Okay, so what I want to add is I need to add a column called color because I want to have the products to be in different colors. Okay, so when I select color, the type is going to be varchar2, and then the length of my data is going to be 200. Okay, so I have created a color, so I click on next. Next, under the product, I will create a department. I will create a column called department. Okay, so now product here again, click on product. Oh, sorry, I have not finished the creation of this color because you see I did not click on finish. So because I did not click on finish and I click on products back, that column has not been added. So back again, the column is color and it is variable character and the length is 200, not 2000, 200. 2000 is too much. So you click next and you click finish, because if you don't click finish, it's not going to create that column. So now you can see column had been created. Next, add color, add a column and call it department. And then the data type is variable character and the length is 200 as well. Departments, okay, I will explain that. and then you click next and you click finish. So you will see that a department column has been added to the table. So this is alter table statement, add column, right? That is what you're doing, okay? That is what you're doing. So you can find the existing columns here. These are the existing column in the table, all right? And so now the next is the clothing, because all this information is about clothes. And remember, I say we're designing an app for checkout, okay? Shopping cart for clothes. Okay, so 200. So this is all these informations are just being designed for clothes. All right. So when this is done, now we need to populate the new column. Populating the new column simply means that we want to run some script, okay? We want to run some script. So to populate, we need to go to SQL script. I should have run these things for you. Okay. Files. You must have this script, otherwise you cannot follow up with me. Dataset building for, okay. Upload files. On the desktop, building app. Can you turn off your microphone, please? Go into your team. You will see I uploaded 3 files. So package manage order, package body, and package new tables. Okay, populating new tables. You will see them under the class material. Because you need those data, okay? You need those information. So
wait, I didn't see any new updated file.
Check inside. So when you log in, when you go into database development, you go into files, class materials, data set for building application. You will see 3 new about a minute ago. You will see package body.rtf, package manage orders.
Yeah,
let me share. You saw, right? Okay. So we need this files to work with. So okay, so after I say we're going to populate the columns, right? So in the you need to open the populating new columns, the script that says populating new columns. You need to open that script and you copy. So on your teams, the script name is what? Populating new tables. You will see populating new tables. You copy the content of that script, and then I will show you now. So go to your SQL workshop and drop down, you will see scripts here. Can you see SQL script?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you click on that SQL script. So I am going to delete this one so that we can do it together. I had this script before. So click on create because you have not done anything. So you will see a new environment, no data found. So click on create. Okay, you will see create here. So click on create and paste that script that you have copied. Paste that script. Now, listen, look at what you're doing. Update. I select product ID, you're selecting product ID, product name, the cloth, the color, the departments. Remember we added the clothing, we added the color, we added the department, right? So you're selecting, and where are you selecting that from? You're selecting that from the product, okay? All right. And now you're populating into the inserting, you set the clothing and the product name and the color, okay, all together in one place. So that is what you're doing. So you click on run. Script must be specified, name must be specified. So the name should be populating new columns. Populating new columns. Okay, just type populating new columns because these are the new columns that we have added to the data objects. Yeah, so we're creating data objects, so we are populating them. So you click on run. Now you will find that these scripts insert unique product type of values such as the shirt, the jacket, etc. into the clothing column in the products table. Similarly, it also insert the unique department names such as maybe the department names, we call it maybe boys, girls, women, and that is what the department is all about. It's supposed to be category, okay? Category, boys, girls, women, but I would prefer to use just department to make it easy. And then you click on run now. So for this time, you click on run now. And so you should find statement processed, one successful, and with zero errors, Now, to check the values in the product tables, you need to click on SQL Workshop and SQL command, and then did I give you that script to check? Let me check. Okay, this is just to check. It's just an SQL script. Just an SQL script to check if your product has been entered properly. So it's just an SQL statement. We can type the SQL statement. Let me put it for you. So under SQL, you select SQL command. Select SQL command and enter. I think I should just create a new SQL statement inside this new. Okay. I will call it select. I'll put it in the build app. I'll put the script on your file. Sorry, material. Upload a new file. So you will see a new file that I uploaded called select. In your team, there's a new file that I call select. So you copy, you will see the content like this. Okay, so select product name, select unit price, select color, select department, select the clothing from product. And then when you run this command, you will see the output under, you will see the output. So you can see the product underscore name, girls jean, you can see, okay, is gray. So unit price is here, the color is gray, and the department is girls, and the clothing is what? Jeans, jeans. Girls hoodie, white, white girls hoodie. Boys coat, blue, blue boys, brown. Okay, you can see the color is brown, boys and coat, right? So this is just to select the table that we have just populated. So I have put in the information in the team. You can download that. Okay. Now you might save this if you want to save it. Just give it a name and you can save it. But we just select. It's just a select statement. Anyone can do a select statement. Now again, since multiple products have been may have the same value for color, you know, you can have multiple products having the same value for color. You can have coat with red. You can have a shirt with red. You can have ladies hoodie with red. Now, to avoid repetition and make update easy, you can create what we call lookup tables. Okay, for each. Now, a lookup table will store the value of the available colors, the department, or the clothing in a single place. And then each product can reference the value from the lookup table. All right. Now, you will create a lookup table based on the new 3 columns. And after you have created the lookup table, you will notice that the new table was created and the column in the product table has been also renamed, and the data types will be changed to a number data type. Now, to create a lookup table, click on the object browser, navigate to products, and click on create. So to do that, this is the SQL workshop. This is object browser. So you click on the object browser, and then you navigate to product. This is product here. This is product here. And you click on product. Now, when you click on product, you navigate to this side. You will see a lookup table. Create a lookup table. Create a lookup table. So you click on this. Now, for column, the column here, you don't select all column, you choose varchar, okay? And then you select color. Color. This is color. You select color, okay? And because this is mandatory, so you click on next. And now you have the table name. Table name color underscore lookup. So I will leave it as this. And then the new sequence will be color lookup sequence. Now, what is the sequence? It will generate a number. Each time there's a new color into that table, it will what? Create a sequence number. All right. So you click on next. You click on next. Okay, so lookup, this color lookup sequence is already used by an existing object because I have used this sequence before. So let's go to packages. Let's go to sequence. That is for me. Now I'm supposed to see. I'm supposed to see the sequences. However, in your case, your sequence does not exist. Okay, so have you created the sequence successfully? This is giving me option to create a sequence, but I
got an arrow.
What is the error?
It's a string of character I cannot comprehend.
Can you share your screen?
All right. Yeah.
Please cancel. Return to application first. Return to application. Okay. Lookup base column. Go back. Click back. Okay. Product. Go back again one step. Let me see. Okay, select column, color. Oh, you don't have color.
Oh, I did create it. I did
Okay,
add
go
it
back.
before. Huh? It suddenly turned to color ID. That's weird.
Hmm.
Didn't do anything.
200. Okay, now go back.
Color.
Yes.
Next, right?
Yes, next. Color is already used by an existing object. Okay, it has already created the object for you.
But it yelled a warning before. I thought
it gives a warning before, but it's also have already created. I'll
follow you then.
Oh yes. Okay, so let me share. So I was also trying to look at my sequence because it's already created before. Products. So I need to check. Columns, so primary key. Indexes. Okay. Dependencies. Okay, triggers. There are no triggers and there are no, I'm supposed to have the sequence, but however, they are not giving me praise where I can drop that sequence. And okay, so let me see what was the name of the sequence. The name of the sequence is color_lookup. Okay. Sequence does not exist. Why? Okay, because these things we are being given, we're using these things as the workspace by Oracle. So
I think because the sequence is letter Q instead of letter G.
is that sequence? Is that? Oh, I use a G. Okay, sequence has been dropped. All right. So correct. Thank you for showing me that error. And then drop table, I will also need to so observe my command, drop table color_lookup. Okay, the table has not been created. Okay.
So Alex does not allow us to see the sequence that we created.
Yes.
Okay.
So I dropped that color_sequence, and I think because I have done this lab exercise with other class since 2020 I did this, so I think I still have the session. So drop this one should be department. I will drop all the sequence so that I don't have problems creating them. Department_lookup_sequence, and then I will also drop the clothing. Clothing lookup_sequence. What happened? Okay, so this does not allow me to run multiple queries. I need to run one at a time. Okay, so all these sequences have been dropped. Object browser. Okay. So back to creating the lookup table. So products and create lookup table, and I will choose color, and I will say next. So color lookup and color sequence, and I will say next. So create lookup table. When you click create lookup table, please click only one time. Don't click 2 times, okay? Okay, because it takes time. So if you click double, it's going to create a problem. So take note of that. All right, so you can see color lookup has been created. All right, then click on product again. Now you do that for department. So create lookup table, and this time around select department and you say next. And the same thing, I don't change anything, I just leave it like that. And we have department and you say create lookup table for that. Okay, so you can see department has been created, and then product again. Now the last one is the clothing, right? So you click on clothing. So create lookup table, clothing. You see, any one that you have created, it will disappear from the lookup basement. And so next, and create lookup table. Done. So you will see that you have clothing lookup here, you have color lookup by the left, okay, and you have department lookup. All right, now if you click on the product table, you will see that there are 3 columns that have been added, and it contains color ID, which is number, department ID, which is number, and color ID, it has been converted to what? Number. Okay. So next is to create database objects. Next is to create database objects. Now, in database object, we will create a package. We will create a package. Okay, so to create a package, you look at this plus sign by the right here. Can you see under your workspace, there's a plot sign that says create there. Got it? You drop down in this area and you will see package here. You will see a package. Apex does not allow me to go into the package to delete an existing package. Okay, so I already have this package, but in your case, click on specification. Click on specification. Okay, so then the package name will be manage_order. So the package name should be manage_orders. Okay. Now I gave you this package, I think, in the download the script from the team. You will see package_manage_orders. Now you ought to copy the content of that file. You need to copy the content of that file. So copy the content of that file. Now, these are just package. If you read the content, you will see that we create or replace package. The package is called manage order as create procedure. Okay, so we also as procedure add product ID and quantity, procedure to remove product ID, function to get the quantity, okay, to get the sum, right? Create function for validating, function for to know if product exists, and then create the procedure to clear the cart, okay? Because when someone doesn't want to buy again, he can clear the carts, then create a function to validate the customer function. If the customer exists, okay, then create a procedure to insert orders, procedure to create order into the cart. All right. Now, these are what the script is all about. Okay, these are what the script is all about. So if you click next, you see package orders exist. So let me see if I can drop a package. Okay, package has been dropped. So I have dropped that package, and then I go back to my packages. Okay, so specification, and I said the name is what? Manage underscore orders. And then next. All right. Now you will find this package there. Please, you can see create or replace package, manage orders as procedure, blah, blah, blah. Delete this one. Okay. Paste what you have there. Paste what I have given you. So you can see here, like I said, create or replace package, manage orders. One, this is procedure for add a product temporarily. So you can add a product temporarily, procedure add product, then procedure to remove a product temporarily. Okay, you are not removing the product from your system, but you're removing the product from the cart. You are adding the product into the cart. Do you understand? Then functions to get the number of items in the shopping cart. So get quantity, because you can add the quantity of items in your shopping cart, right? 1, 2, 3 products. I am buying a hoodie, I am buying a shirt, and I'm buying a jean, and we need to get the quantity in the cart. So sum of the quantity. Validate if the product exists in the shopping cart. This is to make sure that a product must be in a shopping cart before the user can check it out. Then procedure to clear the cart. So I don't want this product again, I will clear the cart. Function to validate customer. The customer must exist before he can make that order, right? Procedure to insert into order. So customer ID, customer email, the store ID, the customer, okay? And then we manage the order. So click on create package specification, please. Now, you have created the package specification. Next, you need to create the package body. Okay? So you need to create the package body. Did I give you the script for the package body? Let me check. Yes, so you also open the package body. You have the script for the package body. Please copy that script. And then on the tab, next tab, you see we have enter specification. And then next tab is what? Package body. Okay, so you can see the package body. So you click on the body tab. So create or replace. Now you need to copy the script in the package body. The package body is long. So from that script, just delete this content that is here and paste what you will copy from there. All right, so now let me explain a little bit. You don't need to really understand how to create package. You have to be a little advanced in Oracle to be able to understand what are packages and how you can create them, right? So create or replace package body. This one is to manage the orders. Remember now, of course, we are using rapid application development, but we also need to have an underlying SQL script that will do a lot of functions in the program, right? So procedure, add product. So you can see you can add product, begin. If not Apex collection.collection exists, so we are calling an underlying methods, then product, then Apex collection, create collection. These are underlying Oracle methods that we are calling in this place. Okay, so Apex collection.add member, add the product. So we have the product number, the quantity. Okay, then end that. Then this is to remove the product. Remember the specification we have specified. But now this is the function that will also what? Remove that product. Okay, so and then this is to get the quantity, return the quantity. Okay, so if item number equals 0, then begin Apex, get the products, then select sum of the product. So we are summing. This is the function that is taking place in that place. If the product exists, we want to make sure that the product exists and then return the quantity. This is to clear the product and customer. Okay, the type of the customer. All right, and then return the customer. Okay, so procedure, create the order of the customer. So all those checks are in the specifications, but the actual body is the one that does the functioning. Now, what you need to do if you enter this query, save and compile. Okay, it should tell you PL SQL code successfully compiled. If you have an error, you tell me. Anybody with an error? Anyone with an error? Are you with me?
We don't have any error.
Okay, good. So I said, while you don't have to understand the code to complete the workshop successfully, know that the functions and procedures that you have defined in this lab are using a built-in feature of Oracle Apex to handle the user shopping cart by managing a collections of the product ID and quantity value specific to the current user and automatically create new rows in the customer table during the order creation. And if it is the first time the user is placing an order. Now, so you know now how to create a package to manage the shopping cart. So in the following labs, you will create procedures, functions when it is required. Okay. Now, good. Having done that, next you will create the application. So there are two ways to do that. This application, I have already created this application before. Okay. And what I can do at this stage, because I have already created all of this, at this stage, I can actually go into my app builder. Okay. And then I can import. Okay. I can import that application. All right, because I already have those basemen. So you can see that I have that so I have, you can see shopping cart app.sql. So file importation confirm. This is to install, okay. Build status, run and build the application. If it does not work, then we have to, because I did this since 2020, and so possibly the what do you call it? The updates of this application will be different. Okay, very good. All right. Can you see this now?
Yes, but which file did you drag? Did you select in the import?
No, I did not give you that file yet, because
yeah.
I at this stage you are going to build to these stages by yourself. Okay. So I just want to show you, I imported that file. If I give you now, you import it, you can see. But if you import it, because I intend that this will be your, either to call it your final project. Okay. So this is example now. Customer wants to click on this. So you can see manage your cart. This is the quantity that I'm talking about. You can also see the reviews. I have not gotten to that point. So you can see if I say 3, so I add into the cart, you can see added 3 to cart. Okay, so I wanted to see this, then I will delete this application, and we are going to build this application from the stage that you are. We are going to build this application from the stage that you are, okay? And I will call it a different name, but you need to see the functions and the features that we are going to have. So you can see the product, boys socks, okay? And you can see the color gray, and all of this, I am going to show you how we are going to build this app. So this is the shop. This is the shop site. I can search by only boys. Okay, so these are only boys product. I can search boys by only code. And so you can see, and then I can search by also color to be brown. And then, okay, this is not picking. And then I can search code and shirts, and then unit price 10 to 20. Okay, so you can see now these are my filters. So whatever I search, to make the user be able to search everything easier. Okay, now here at the top right corner, you can see the shopping cart of the user. This is normally what you see, right, with this symbol. So when you click on this, now you are into the shopping carts, and you can see that the jeans that you have collected, there are 3 jeans, and this is the unit price, and this is the subtotal price of all. So your order information is your email, your full name, and select the store. Okay, you can select the store in Berlin, and you can proceed to what? Checkout. Okay, so you have to enter your emails, and you have to enter your name. So m@gmail.com, Mike. Okay, so you proceed to checkout, and you receive a thank you. Your order has been processed. So order successfully created, and you can see your orders. Okay, and this is your order code. All right, and then this is the date you place your order, and the status is what? Open, because it has not yet been delivered to you. All right, so you can go back to the shop, and now this is what the user will see. What about the administration? So for the administration, because the shop is the user, is the end user, right? So the administration, you will find the dashboard. Okay, so now on the dashboard, remember, I can see the top 10 products, boys, clothes, girls. I can see the top 5 stores, the status order, the product review, okay? And that is for that. You remember the clothing lookup that we have created before, the department lookup. Now, these are the product review. I will show you how we can create the product review page, okay? So, and then manage product. So this is to manage the product as an admin. Now I can create a new product. So remember, we have all these product, boys, coat, blue, blah, blah. So I can create a new product here. I give a product name. What is the product name? What is the unit price of the product? I choose the image of that product, the product details that will contain, right? So because at the back end of the system, you should be able to what? Create and insert these images or products. So such like the images that I showed you now, I said it uses JSON. Now, JSON is a program that compiles the images and it will load the images into the database objects automatically without loading it one by one. But after you have created the application, now you need to update more products because now you have more products. Okay, so you can be able to what? Create the product by yourself, and you can select the color of the product that you're adding. You can select the department, it is girls, men's, or okay, and then you can select the type of clothes, is it shirts or is it shorts, and you can what? Create the product by yourself. Now these are the things that you will have to learn. So this is a quick application development that have provided you with this. Now this administration page is all about the controls. So users, your controls, and you can see administrator one. So all of these are what you can use to manage your what? Application. So the shop here is for the client side. The shop is not for you. Okay, so clear, the shop is for the what? For the business customers. Okay, so you can see here, you send this link or customers will just access your application via this link. Do you understand now? Do you understand the flow of the program? Hello?
Yes. So does user have to create their account to use this website, or they can just use it without an account?
No. Users don't need to create an account to buy something. All they need to do, because right now, okay, it doesn't make sense for me to come to your website and you're asking me I have to create account. Okay, you can just ask me to provide my email. It's okay, fine. But this is collected at the point of exiting when the user is collecting the checking out of the system. Look at it now. If I click on this, okay, so it says manage your cart. I am a user, right? Okay, I like the review of what I am reading. Okay, I like the review of what I'm reading. So I just what? Add to cart, right? So automatically it's add to my cart. You can see. Now I want to check out. Can you see where you are collecting the user information, and you can store this user information in your database as your users? Did you see?
Yes.
So you don't need to ask the user to create an information before he gets to your site, because it will what? Send the user off key. Why do I need to? You understand? But now he sees something that he likes, and because he likes it, he is compelled to give you an information. And again, you don't need to collect too much information. Maybe email, full name and phone number is okay. Then the store that is in his city, these stores will represent where the city is. So if he's getting it online, he needs an online store that will deliver this product. That's all. Now the next is left for the what? The admin to check the background. g@co.com. It doesn't have to be Abel. So thank you for your order, right? Successfully. Okay. So now it is left for the administrators to what? Look at the products. Okay. So you can see product reviews. You can read your product reviews. Order status. Okay. So you can see order status, the ones that are open. Okay. 2 open order, right? I can see them. Because there are 2 open orders, right, that have not been delivered, and the status need to be what? Open, refunded, or cancel. Okay, so if you cancel or completed, okay, so these are the orders. So, and then you can also look at the manage customers now. So you can see the customer is what? Abel. You have already collected the full name and the what? Email address, right? The order, this was the one I just used before. Now the other one is Mike. You can search for Mike. I think I use Mike. Yes, so you can see Mike at gmail.com. Okay, so and then you can also directly create a customer by yourself. So you get the customer who contacted you directly and you want to store the information in your database. So you can do that automatically. Okay, so these are the users, manage user access. So this is just user as an administrator. So you can add multiple users, you can add a user, and then you can also select a role for the user. So who is he? Is he your administrator? Is he your contributor? Or is he a reader of your page, right? So all these things are the things that we are going to do it in the next few classes, because this is actually going to end up becoming, for me, your midterm products or your midterm projects. So this is the stores. Okay. So now I can add a new store to the store, and I call the store name as Hanoi. Okay. I can give address, physical address, Saulingba, Zungnam 2A, Zung Lak Long Kwan. Okay, that's my home address. I can give you the latitude and the longitude. The latitude and the longitude is very easy because it will specify the map location. Okay, so if I go to Google, map.google.com, right? Google Maps. I can copy that longitude, search for 603 Lak Long Kwan. Okay, so it's already got it. So this is the direction. Okay, so I copy this one, this first one. Okay, it is copied because that is the clipboard. So I cut, that is longitude and latitude. Okay, I can choose a logo file for this company, for this store. Do I have anything logo? It must be PNG. Okay, okay, location PNG. Okay, upload, and I create this. Okay, so Hanoi has been created. However, now when the customer goes to the site, First go to the shop and pick this and add 3. Okay, and then goes to this shopping cart. There are 2 quantities. Okay, o.com. Okay, Michael. And now for the store, you can see I have what? Hanoi. And then I will proceed because it can reflect automatically to the system. Yeah. So thank you. Now I have that order. Okay, so back to my administration page. So these are the users. These are the access control. This is the dashboard. This is the clothing lookup. Okay, so you can look. You can create more customer. So those are the customers that you have. You can manage them. And so manage product now. There you can add the new product. I already showed you this. So this is what we are going to gradually finish building. Okay, so now I am going to go back to the page. Okay, so I install and I run this application. All right, so App Builder. So you see, I call this application ACME now, but I will still use the same underlying system to create a new one. Okay, so this is where you will continue with me. All right, so this other one that I installed is to show you exactly what you are going to come up with. So you have to be very attentive and you have to try to follow suit, because like I said, I have made up my mind, this is your midterm. And if you cannot present me with this one in the next 2 class, then you have failed your midterm. Okay. So you click on create. When you click on create, you click on new application. I'm not giving you the install SQL statement that I have installed this application, because I want us to build this application from the beginning and you have seen what you are going to build. Do you understand? So you don't need to be a programmer to build this kind of an application. All right. So now you need to name your application. Okay. So remember, I named the application ACME Enterprise Shop. And I already have this name already in my application, right? So I can name this as what name? So what is the name? I used to see one fine name on the street selling clothes. What is the name of these brands of these companies? What are the brand names of those companies selling clothes? Okay, I saw a company called M2, right? You remember there's a company called M2 Shop, right? You know? Okay.
Yes.
Name it anything. Name it anything. It's not a problem. It's just the name that you want to create. Okay. So you have to have a name before you can what? Create an application. So just name it anything, but remember the name of your application because you might use it somewhere. All right. Now, first of all, we need to create the dashboard of the application. I showed you the dashboard where we have the 10 top clothes that have been sold and stuff like that. So dashboard is to give the administrator some form of what? an idea or kind of decision-making process. Okay, so you are building an MIS, Management Information System, that you can quickly see some statistics regarding the what small shop, or because this is a small enterprise business. Okay, so click on Add Page, click on Add Page, and click on Dashboard. Why is my Add Page not displaying? Add Page. Is it the internet? Does your Add Page display?
Yes.
Something is wrong with my
Yes,
computer.
internet.
Maybe it's my internet. Yeah, because let me refresh. I think it's the internet. Let me go to my system to check the internet, okay? Oh, okay, it's pick up. No, it didn't. Wait, let me restart my computer. Sorry, not the computer. Let me restart the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm connected back. All right, so I said that I name it M2 shop. I name my shop M2 shop. I add page. All right, so yes, it was the internet. Now, I said that you should click on dashboard. Click on dashboard, okay? Also, why? I don't know why my account always have this error. Because I too much use Oracle or what? Okay, the site is going. It's just my account. Difficulty, technical issues with my account. Why? Okay, so if you are there, just go to dashboard, and then in the first, you need to select bar. Then the chart name, you enter top 10 products, and then table or view, you are going to select products _ orders.
Maybe I can share my screen.
Yes,
You
please
can
share your
revise.
screen, and then we can use your computer instead. Oh, I don't know. My session is out. Okay. Good. Dashboard. Okay, so now chart 1, please select bar. Select bar. Good. The name of the chart, enter top 10 products. Then drop down to select a table, and the table should be products _ orders. Very good. Then the type, select sum. You will see column value, then you will see sum and count. So select sum. Very good. Then the value column, you are going to select the total sales. Very good. Now do not click on add page. Now move to chart 2. Good. Now for chart 2, select pie chart for me. Very good. Now enter top 5 stores. Good. I want to see now. You need to table store _ orders. Store _ orders. Good. Then for the label, select store name. And then sum. And then total sales. Very good. Now move to chart 3. In chart 3, select pie chart. Now enter order status. Okay. Customer _ orders _ product. Label order status. And you need to count. Select order by order ID. All right. Now you move to the 4th bar chart. Now select bar chart. Back to bar chart. Remember, I have 2 pie chart, 2 bar charts. Now product review. Type product review. Now select product _ review as the table. This is where we will have the reviews. Okay. Then product _ name. Now you need count value. Okay, so count value. Not count. Count value. Column value. Sorry, column value. Back. Okay, good. And then average _ rating. Average _ rating. Okay. Please back to chart 1. Like I missed something in chart 1. Table. Yes, label column for chart 1 is missing. Product name, please. Okay. Go to chart 2. Okay. Chart 3. Chart 4. Add page, please. Click edit, click edit, click edit dashboard. Scroll down. Now click advanced tab. Click the advanced tab at the bottom of the page. Select set as administrative page. Yes, because you will use it as is for administrator. Dashboard is not for the customer. So the dashboard is for the administrator. That is why you select administrative page. Now save changes. Okay, now you need to add a new page. So click on the add page again. Now this time around, click on faceted search. Now it's going to be products. The page name is going to be products. Now select cards, not report, cards. Okay, now the table is going to be products. Very good. Now select grid. Grid is selected. So go to title column, select product name, and then body column. Drop down, select column. Select column. No, up, select column. The first one. Yes. Okay. Now, this product page, you will set this product page as home page. So scroll down. Then set as home page. Now, this is the home page because the product is where the users, customers will see. So we are setting the product page as what? Home page. That is where the product will display. Now, add page. So because you have set the product page as home page, click edit on the home. There is another page under edit, not edit, home. Delete this home page. Okay. All right. So now that you have deleted that home page, now we need to add another table. Okay, we need to add another page, and this time around, click on add page. Then scroll down to additional pages. Click on multiple reports. Okay, now select clothing lookup, color lookup, customers, department lookup, product reviews, stores. Count, are you having up to 6? Do you have 6? 6 rows selected. Okay. Now, add page. Now, edit clothing lookup. And then include forms, okay, is there. Then set as administration. Drop down advanced. Set as administration, include forms, set as administration, save. Do the rest for color lookup. Do the same for color lookup. Okay, save. Do the same for customers. Do the same for department lookup. Do the same for product reviews. No. Back to product reviews. You must select include form. Why? What happened? Why product review does not have include form on your system?
Does other have the include form? Or is it just me that had this problem?
It's supposed to show include
No.
form actually.
I'm
Okay, move on.
sorry.
Do anybody has include form for product review?
No.
No? Okay, I will find out. I will find out because sometimes they are updating this all these pages, interactive pages supposed to have include forms in them. Only product review has no include. Product reviews, right? Table base. No, not links. Okay, move on. Just set it as administrative page. We'll come back to that. Okay. Now
Do
we
do
will
the same for the store and the product? Or
store under product.
yeah, do we do the same? Do we
No.
set it?
Product is the product table is for the customer, so it cannot be administrative page. And the
Okay.
store is for the customer. It cannot be yeah, store you can do. Store is administrative page. Only product. Product is the home page. It cannot be administrative page, okay? Are we good? All right. Now we need to add the manage product page. Remember, the product we need to manage the product now, where you can see me click the create buttons and blah, blah. Okay. Interactive report. The title is manage products. Manage products. The table is products. Include forms. Okay. You don't have the lookup column. You don't have the lookup column. Okay. Why you don't have the lookup column? We're supposed to create a lookup table from this. Okay, set as administrative page. We will use codes to create the lookup column. Add the page. Now, under future sections, check access control. Oh, you selected everything before. Okay. So you will see the create application page, right? Now click create application. Okay, now you have created these applications. Run the application and let's see the pages that has been created. Okay, so M2 shop login. Yes, so here, so which page is this? That's the product page. Go to administration. Now, do you see? Can you see the clothing lookup? Can you see the customer? Can you see the stores? Can you see the managed product? Go to manage product. Now, can you see that in the manage product, you have the create button? Click on the create button. So can you see that you can enter product name, unit price, you can choose the file, you can choose the color, the department, and the clothing, and you can create. Okay, close that. Close the manage product. These are the pages we have created, right? Then store, check the store. So you can see these are the stores that we have created, okay? You can create a new store. Let's see, add Hanoi. Let me know it's working. Yeah, longitude, latitude, you can copy them from the map, but we did not indicate the features of map there actually. But you can still put those longitude and latitude. So you pick a location. You need to do search. So you need to search in Google. Okay, so you have picked a certain location. Logo is optional. So all the rest, I didn't make it mandatory. So just create. Okay, you can see that Hanoi appears, right? So this page is working well. Okay, so because this is administration, you can add sites, you can add, okay, next, close that. Let's see product reviews, because the product review is supposed to have, a form, but you see we do not have the form. We do not have the form because the form is the one that will allow us to create, okay? Allow us to create the review, update the review, allow the user to create the review. Okay, I will come back to this one, why this page does not have the include form. All right, so close this one. Let's go to department lookup. Okay, so it's okay, it has the form. So you can create more department, click on create. Yes, so you can create more department. Okay, close. You can add more department. So you can create a department called old people, maybe oldies, something like that. Yeah, because we have boys, girls, men's, women's, and seniors, please use the word seniors. All right, create. Okay, so it's working. And then next, customers, yes. Okay, so you can create customers and you can have online customers. Okay. Create customers is okay, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's working. And color lookup. So here you can add more colors. So let's say you have a cloth that has a purple. So please, purple. Okay. So you have added a color ID as purple into that color. So close. Color lookup. Clothing lookup. Now, so you can add more clothes because now you have coat, dress, hoodie, jacket, jeans, pajamas, shirts and shorts, skirts, socks. You can add any clothes. So which type of clothes? Outside. All right. So outside has been added. It means that when you are adding a product that is outside, you need to call up outside. Okay. Then back is your dashboard. Go to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, we have created top 10 products. You can see the top 10 products by the left. We can see the order status. Okay. And you can see the product review, right? So 2 pie charts and 2 bar charts, if you remember. So chart 1 is bar chart, chart 2 is pie, chart 3 is pie, and chart 4 is bar chart, right? So close that. Okay. Now, if you click on the shop, click on the shop. You see, you are taken to the product shops, right? But the images of the products are not displayed. The prices of the products are not displayed. The orders of the page, order page is not displayed, okay? So you can search, that is a search by product name because order by product names, we are ordering the products by product name. So we need to move further. Next, we need to create the order page. Now, these ones we have to be very, very careful because it requires a lot of, so click on create page, blank page. What do you have? Page 16, right? Page number is 16. Okay, the name is order information. Order information, not orders. Order information. Now, the page mode should be normal. Don't use breadcrumb. So uncheck breadcrumb. Uncheck the breadcrumb. You see breadcrumb down. Okay, uncheck that. Do not use navigation. Disable navigation. Okay. Finish. Create page. Okay. Now this is a little technical. So in the new page created, you need to navigate to the gallery menu. Gallery menu at the bottom of the page will show regions, items. You can see regions, items, and buttons categories. Ensure that the region is selected and then drag a static content region and drop it in the content body. Drag a static region Can you see a static region? Okay, drag. Drag and drop in the content body. Okay, by the left, okay, it's not by the left. Click on component, you will see body by the left. You will see body at the down. No? Under components, you will see body. At the left pane, Left pane.
Okay.
No, that is right pane.
I don't get it. Can you repeat the name of that
No.
region?
The region, you're already on that region, and I can see the static content, but they are not dropping into the order information. So you will see page 16 order information. You will see pre-rendering, before header, after header, before region, component, then you will see body by the left. Okay, right click on that body for me. No, right click on the body. Create region. Yes. Okay, now drag the static content and drop it inside the create region. You have two regions. Okay, can you at the top of the order information, there is a drop-down menu. Can you click on that? Go to your right, yes. Can you remove hide empty positions? Okay. Delete these two objects that you have put inside there. You can delete them. Okay. So now, under the body, click on the body now. Let me see the body. Right click on the body. I think we should create page, not page item. It should be a region. Create a region in the body because this body does not have region. Okay, we need to put in the static content there. Under body region. Okay, good. There. All right. Now, in the property editor, enter the following. So in the property editor by the right, you will see title, you will see new. New. Go up. Under identification. Thank you for your order. Now, for template, scroll down and look for template. Select content block. Content block. For template option, check show region icon. Okay, wait. Go back to template. It's under templates. You are still under templates. So you have templates, content block, then template option. Click there. Now, show region icon. Yes. Okay. Now click OK. Now for the icon, you can see icon. Click there. Yes, click. Now type FA in the search bar. In the search bar, type FA, no, small capital letters. FA dash heart. Enter. Okay, pick the first one. Click the first one. Okay, because you are saying thank you for your order, right? So you're showing some love. Okay. Then right click on, go back to the thank you, go back to the thank you under the body region. Under the body region, move to your left. Yes, right click and create page item now. Create page item. What did you click? Not page item below, create page item. Okay, so delete that. Okay. So now you will see the name should be by the top right corner under identification, type underscore order, page 16 underscore order. Oh, no. Page 16 underscore order. You must use the prefix P16 underscore order. Okay. The type, change it to hidden. And value protected is selected. Then and the region, you will see thank you for your order. Okay. All right. Now you need to add a static content region. Now on the thank you for your order, go back to thank you. Okay. Click, right click. Create sub-region. Create sub-region. Is that a sub-region? Okay. Is a sub-region. So on the property editor, enter order full column. No, okay. No. Full column, column, semicolon. Order semicolon, not full column. Sorry. Order semicolon. No. The semicolon, the symbol. I type
I'm
in
lost.
chat. Let me type in chat. Where is the chat box? Where is the chat? Where is this chat? Wait. Let me tell you what to type.
This one?
I'm coming. I'm looking for the chat. Which one?
This one?
No. That's a column, double column, up and down, right?
Semicolon. This one?
No. You're closer, but not that. Let me look for the chat. Where's the chat? Somebody should. Okay, I see the chat. I type what you need to type there. Okay. Capital O, the full column, ampersand P16 underscore order. Copy that and put it there. Did you see my message? In the chat, did you see? Okay, so for the type, select static content. Next, now we need to add the order details region. Okay, Now you need to click enter. So when you press enter, now in the rendering tree left pane, navigate to the order full column ampersand 16 underscore order, then right click and create a sub-region. Create a sub-region. Okay. In the property bar for the title, enter order details by the right. Order details, capital D, please, for the details. Okay. For the type, select cards. Select cards. Good. Now, I need to send you some SQL query. Okay. So for the type, select SQL query. So wait for me. I'm putting the codes in order. Okay. We are on the order page, right? Let me paste this in the chat, okay? Because I did not update that code for you. Where is the chat? Okay, can you go to the chat, copy this code? Now, because you have other cards you have selected, so under the source section, select SQL, right? What happened? Or should I send you in a script file? Which is better?
It's fine now.
It's okay now?
But sending the code via chat usually in the form of one line. So
Okay. Validate the SQL. If there's something wrong, it will tell you.
this one, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
successful.
so it's successful. Okay, so click OK. Okay. Now, on the region tab, you will see attributes. Click on attributes. Okay. Now on attributes, the title is order details. So you now for when you click attributes, so you search for secondary body in the filter. And then I give you another code. You will see secondary body. Okay. Now, turn on the advanced filter, advanced formatting to on. Advanced formatting, turn it on. Okay, now I'm going to send you an HTML code also. So wait for me. You will see what this code is doing. So this is HTML code. Copy that HTML code. Can you have them into 3 places? Okay, good. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. All right. Now we need to add items region again. So under the order by the left, down, 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 down. Okay, so after you have thank you, you have P16 order, then you have order. Thank you, P16 order. Okay, right click and create sub-region. All right, now for the title, enter items. The types are cart. All right. You are going to select SQL query for this one too. So we're selecting the items. So you can see that everything depends on the. In this chart, can one be able to send file in a text or no? I hope this will not. Will this be able to send correctly? Validate it, let's see. Okay. Now, on the right side, there's the column attribute. Click on attributes. So under the title section, select product. No, that is secondary body. Title section. Title, yeah, okay. Product, and then under the secondary body, formatting on, you will see secondary body. Okay, turn on formatting, advanced formatting. And then it will request an HTML. So wait for this. Almost done. Okay, enter this. Now scroll down to media. Under the media section, look for media. Okay, so under the media section, for the source, select block column. Blob. Okay. Now, for the blob column, select product_image. Then for the body position, select body. And for appearance, select auto. For sizing, select fit. Then under cards, the primary key column 1, select item.
Can you repeat the last one?
Under cards, card for primary key column 1. Okay. Primary key column 1. Okay. Select item. Okay. Now click on save. All right. So we need to stop from here because next class we have to create the shopping cart. Then we have to create the add to cart page. Okay. Then improve the product page and then improve the application. But now you can run this page. Okay. Can you see the thank you for your order? Now, every other thing that you have done, they are going to pop up automatically, but this is the thank you order page, okay, that you have created, and you can see the heart symbol that is there, and the shop cart is not yet displayed. So go to your administration page. Now, these are all the physical page for your administration, but what we have done, they are called the runtime processes. You know what are called runtime processes? All those scripts that I have given you, they are going to work for the what? For the shop. So until when we create the shopping cart, that is when you will be able to see those effects of order program. So if your application is up to this level, good. if your application is not up to this level, I'm sorry. Maybe I should send to you, but this only stop at creating. I only stop at creating. What do you call it? Multiple pages. Okay. It's not important. I can upload that for you. I don't know why I saved it. Any question? No question? Not now? Okay, so for this program, you have about you have about 5 labs to make it completed like my program, to see it as my program. Okay, so you can stop presenting. So make sure that you are at this stage. Actually, I see some things that are missing, like 2 things have been missing. Lookup columns and also preview form on preview on review table, sorry. Review forms are not on that. So I need to
Product review.
Yeah, product review, yes. So I need to verify. So your program is actually 80% completed. Okay, you have created a program now using Oracle Apex development framework. And now you understand that most of the backgrounds are run with the with the SQL queries. Okay, without the queries, these things will not really work. So all those queries that I'm giving, they are the ones powering, they are doing the selection and populating those information. So basically, you need to review those SQL queries. They are simple SQL queries actually, not complex, but you need to understand what we are doing. You already have the video recorded, so please, if you have not gotten to this point, please get to this point and then we can complete the rest. Like I said, if you don't have this, then you don't have your midterm, because I am going to use this as the basis for your midterm. So if you have not done it, you should find a way to do it. And then I will ask you questions on some basic things that you should know. Why is this happening and why, what happened? What is the underlying background of this SQL query? What do you understand about that? So those are the questions that I will ask. Lung Hai An, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sorry because my own computer, my own Oracle application development is having error. I don't know if it is due to my internet or whatever, but thank you. Me, right? Me? It's me that presented, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for stepping up, because your class is far behind my schedule. Too far behind my schedule. Okay, Lung Hai An.
Yes.
Nguyen Tương Bác.
Yes.
Cơm Thị Truyền.
Yes.
Nguyễn Chí Công.
Yes.
Trang Văn Khương.
Yes.
Đỗ Minh Đức.
Yes.
Phạm Minh Hán. Phạm Minh Hán.
Yes, teacher.
Hoàng Thị Hiền.
Yes.
Phạm Thị Hiền.
Yes. Đi Lệ Hàn.
Okay, Vũ Trung Hiếu.
Yes.
Nguyễn Lạ Mỹ Hoa.
Yes.
Đoan Văn Hoàng.
Yes.
Bùi Tàn Hương.
Yes.
Dân Tự Hương.
Yes.
Nguyễn Tự Hướng.
Yes.
Nguyễn Đức Huy.
Yes.
Đỗ Thị Huyền.
Yes, I'm here.
Lê Thị Ngọc Linh.
Yes.
Trần Càng Linh.
Yes.
Vũ Thị Diệu Linh,
Yes.
Phan Thị Lô Anh,
Yes.
Trang Thị Lô Anh,
Yes.
Dương Đức Mạnh,
Yes.
Trang Bình Minh,
Yes.
Hoàng Trà My,
Yes.
Tạ Thị Điềm My,
Yes.
Đặng Thúy Ngàn,
Yes.
Lê Thu Phong,
Yes.
Nguyễn Thị Thu Phong, Nguyễn Thị Thu Phong, Lê An Quyền,
Yes.
Đào Hùng Quyên,
Yes.
Phạm Thị Sáu,
Yes.
Đỗ Duy Sắn,
Yes.
Đào Ngọc Tán,
Yes.
Bùi Tú Tào,
Yeah.
Đinh Thị Không Tào,
Yes.
Đinh Thị Phong Tào,
Yes.
Đinh Thị Phong Tào,
Yes.
Nguyễn Tú Tào,
Yes.
Ngan Nguyễn Hạ Tước,
Yes.
Trinh Thị Thục Thúy,
Yes.
Nguyễn Đức Tuấn,
Yes.
Vũ Thành Trang,
Yes.
Đoan Xuân Tín,
Yes.
Ngô Đắc Tiền Trung,
Yes.
Đinh Tân Tung,
Yes.
Lê Quyên Văn,
Yes.
Nguyễn Thảo Vy,
Yes.
Đàm Hải Yến, Đàm Hải Yến,
Yes.
Nguyễn Thị Hải Yến.
Yes.
Do I miss anyone?
Nguyễn Thị Thu Phương. Could you check for me? Excuse me.
Nguyễn
Excuse me.
Thu.
I'm Nguyễn Thị Thu Phương.
Okay. Are you sleeping?
No.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if there's no any questions, so we call it a day for today and have a beautiful week. Next week we meet in school, right? It's no longer offline. Next week we meet in school. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
See ya.
See ya, teacher.
Hẹn gặp lại. See ya. See ya in school with the working program.